Before we start, let me ask you one common question. A new feature go live, and your team look at the dashboard, some number go up, some number go down. And then someone asks, did the new feature actually work? How will you answer this question? Today, I'm going to share a universal framework that helps you evaluate any product feature, no matter the industry, the products, or your role. If you remember this framework, you will never feel lost when evaluating feature impact. Hi, my name is Yili, a senior data specialist in Melbourne, Australia. Today, we are going to break it down into three core parts: the foundation, defining goals and success; the metric system, what to measure and why; the analyzing method, how to reach a reliable conclusion. Before touching any data, we have to understand one foundation question. Why does this feature exist? Every feature is designed to change customer behavior. If we don't understand what behavior we are trying to change, any analysis afterwards is missing the point. If you don't know the destination, no road can be cracked. In practice, feature goals normally fall into a category: improving core business metric like conversion, revenue, or usage; increase engagement or retention; improving user experiences or efficiency; exploring new growth. For example, if you live in Australia, you may use something below. Commonbank released the Yellow as their loyalty feature last year. It aims to increase active usage and then cross-products engage calls and wallets. Personalization offer from Flybuy and rewards card is aiming to increase bucket size and purchase frequency. Uber provide upfront pricing and ETA accuracy updates, aiming to reduce ride cancellation and improve trust. A faster checkout flow in Amazon aims to reduce drop-off payment. So different goals require different evaluation logic. Once the goal is clear, the next step is define the success measure. Do three things. Choose one primary metric that directly impacts the result, and then set a success threshold that would justify keeping that feature. 3. Agree on it before the launch. You should be able to answer this question. The feature is successful. If you can't fill that blank, you are not ready to evaluate the feature. Part 2. Build a measurement framework. A common mistake analysts make is measuring what's easy, not what matters. A strong evaluation uses different layer metrics, not a single number. I group metrics into 4 different categories. Direct effect metric. This tells you whether the user actually used the new feature, like adoption or penetration rate, usage frequency or depth, feature level conversation rate. So if the adoption is low, the problem may not be the feature itself. Second, design indirect effect metric. Those will show the overall impact for the feature by the whole products, like DAU, WAU, the retention rate, day 1, day 7, day 10, revenue, payment, conversation, LTV. This is where real business value shows up. The third layer of the metric is experiences and quality metrics. A feature can improve business metric but damage the customer's experiences. So we have to monitor the performance, like the load time, the latency, the crash rate, and also understand the user's feedback, like NPS, complaints, reviews. Short-term win at cost of the experiences is the long-term loss. The other layer of the metric is guardrail metrics. This is where senior analysts stand out. Ask yourself one question: what might this feature hurt while helping something else? So for example, like if you introduce more ads into your video, it may hurt the retention. Guardrail metrics prevent winning the metric but hurting the business. Now let's talk about the art of the analysis. Good analysis is about causality, not correlation. Just because metric change after launch doesn't always mean the feature caused the change. So our gold standard is A/B testing. When possible, A/B testing is the most reliable way. The logic is simple: split user into experiment and control group. Change only one variable, which is the feature. Compare outcomes during the same period. Use statistic testing to validate the result. If the experiment improves without hurting guardrail metrics, you have strong evidence. Sometimes when A/B testing is not feasible, in that cases we use quasi-experimental method, such as before and after comparison, interrupted time series analysis, different analysis. Those methods are weak than the A/B testing, but still much better than the raw comparison. You can also do some drill-down analysis. Never stop at the average. So we need to segment the new and existing, different activity level, performance, channels, and user group. A feature can be a win for this group, but can be harmful for the other one. Don't forget to think about short-term and long-term impact. Some feature looks great initially or bad initially. It is because users need to learn how to use it at the beginning. So evaluation shouldn't just end for one experiment. Long-term tracking matters. Now you have a framework on your mind. It's intent, metric, causality, and decision. Clarify the goal, measure comprehensively, prove cause, not coincidence, end with a decision, not just the numbers. Data analysis is not about proving success. It is helping team to decide what to do next. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, thumb up and subscribe below. I will talk more about data beyond the numbers.